Here's the thrill of a bird's-eye view down into deep canyons of steel and concrete. A beehive of activity of thousands of unseen workers. At the far end of Wall Street is historic Trinity Church and Graveyard, squeezed in among some of the world's greatest banking and brokerage houses. Wall Street is a working symbol representing American prestige and wealth in the cross-currents of domestic and international finance. Here is where George Washington took office as President of the United States. We are on our way up the East River. Just ahead is a landmark you've certainly heard about, the Brooklyn Bridge. Join